Are you sick and tired of this happening to you?
What the fuck? What?
Then you need the portable dishwasher. First, you'll need our special portable dishwasher generic cardboard box. Next, you'll need some dirty dishes. And lastly, you'll need some premium, unfiltered tap water and some multi-purpose dish soap. Just look at how those babies sparkle.
Yeah. I've never seen dishes so clean.
You can practically see the dirt fly right off the dishes. Goody blue!
I love this, man! Crazy radical, man!
Extreme! Intense!
Crazy clean! Super fantastic!
It obviously gets off the toughest stains. Spaghetti sauce to dirt, spaghetti sauce to dirt, spaghetti sauce.
I just love how portable it is. I'm able to wash the dishes while I'm riding on the back of the bike with Lamar.
This dishwasher gets dishes clean, well, quick, and fast. It will not only emotionally and physically fix your dishes, it will also bring you a lot of happiness.
Everybody's doing it!
3 out of 4 doctors agree. Portable dishwasher rules. Not convinced yet, huh? We'll act now, and we'll throw in this cute little teddy bear. And a half-eaten Pop-Tart.
If only I could wash my dishes while I'm smelling these flowers out in my yard. Whoa! Holy crap! Looks like I can now, huh? Thank God for the portable dishwasher!
How am I supposed to wash my dishes and clean this truck at the same time? No way! Now I can wash my dishes and clean my truck! Yeah!
You can even play football with it.
I used a regular dishwasher and look what happened to me.
Helpless, helpless, helpless.
Clean dishes, anyone?
Made in America. By me, George W. Bush.
Pretty cool.
Spaghetti, 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 spaghetti.